Everyone. Again, this is at the US Diaspora the Gudanyos channel. I just want to show you um, a follow-up after the potato video that I did a while ago on April 19th. Yeah, so about 6 weeks later, this is what the potatoes look like. As you can see, they are doing very well. They are doing very well. That's the third container, doing very well. Yeah, and finally the last container is over here. It's doing very well. I did add what you can see here is sorrel in this container. It seemed like it had space and I didn't have space for my sorrel, so I added it in here. You don't need to do that. It's just me. I think some ants are attacking it. That's why you see the mound of soil in between. So I'm gonna treat these with diatomaceous earth, and I will show you how to do that. So I'm gonna spray some diatomaceous earth on there. It's wonderful in taking care of some pesticides, and I'm actually gonna spray all the potato plants because it takes care of a lot of the pests, and it's not harmful to the plant. So I'll do that to all the potatoes. And this one, if you can see this corner here, it looks like there was ants attacking already. So I'm gonna spray even the bottom of it. Spray the rest, spray the last one there. Okay. They have not been attacked yet. As you can see, they're in pretty good health. Um, they're in pretty good health, but I am taking precautions. Um, yeah, because you really don't want them attacked um, by pests, and their potatoes are very prone. Like I said in the first video, they are very prone to being attacked by pests um, when not planted in the right season. And I was a little late in starting to plant, so I'm gonna take precautions. Next, they need a little water, and I'm gonna add fertilizer, and I will show you how I make my fertilizer and how I add it on here. So let's go. So over here I have my homemade fertilizer, which is composed of a herb called comfrey. Comfrey is a wonderful fertilizer. It's full of potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. So what I did, and I can bring you a video to show you that, is just take a few leaves and put them in the bucket and fill it with water and cover it. Let it sit. Has been sitting now for maybe a little over a month. And so what I'm gonna do is get some of it. It's pretty strong, so I don't need to get a whole lot of it. Um, and what I do is fetch fetch some of it, about 1/3, sorry, 1 part to, I mean, one, yeah, one, you get about 1/3 and fill it with water, about 2/3. So, because if you don't dilute it appropriately, it's going to be too strong again and burn up the plants. So, a good dilution ratio is 1 to 3. And to these, I am going to add my water. So, can you add water? I'm gonna fill it with water the rest of the way. 2/3 water and 1/3 of my fertilizer. It's pretty effective, and it's natural, you know. And like I said, you don't let your potatoes be hungry. You have to feed them from time to time, give them nutrients. Uh,
If mom puts
yeah, so we're gonna water the plants, give them more water. It's been pretty sunny and hot lately, so that's probably why. Um, I'm just gonna make sure each container gets enough, then I can add more water later, but at least it will have gotten the nutrients. Yeah, so that's it. For now, we'll keep watching and waiting. They're about halfway ready. They're not quite there, but they're about halfway ready. But I thought it's a good time to pause and take a video because obviously they were looking like they're a bit matured, uh, at a good stage to just take another video to update you on what's going on. But they did sprout, and of course they did grow very well. They're a little taller maybe than I would like, and when I look at the stems, they're a little skinnier than I would like, probably related to the size of the potatoes that I put in the soil, because I halved my potatoes. So that's probably the affecting factor. But at the same time, I'm waiting to see what kind of potatoes we'll get at the end. I did talk to a friend who said when you halve them, you are likely to get smaller potatoes, um, than the usual size. But like I said, it's an experiment for me, so we'll see. I am trying to provide adequate nutrition as we go along. Just make sure that they're well fed. So maybe the nutrition might affect the size. I don't know, but at the same time, it's an experiment. We'll see. Let's work on this together. All right. Thank you so much for staying with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.